Lift with your back.
Lift with your back, not your legs, kids.
No legs. Ah!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the Driven by Ricky YouTube channel. I'm here with my good friend Cameron, and we are going to install eBay coilovers on his E46. Wait, JDM speed? JDM? JDM. Oh, JDM. Nissan Altima. JDM, here we go. Nissan Altima coilovers.
Yeah.
Just kidding, they're for the E46. Alright, open her up, bud. Open her up, bud.
Cut towards yourself.
So yeah, cut towards yourself and lift with your back. Yeah, cut towards me.
Yeah, cut towards filmer.
Heck yeah. Ooh.
That's not racing.
Racing coilovers from eBay, yours truly. So these are them, honestly, like
They have
first.
camber adjustment too.
They have, whoa.
Wait a minute.
How much were these?
$270.
$270, and you get top hats, camber plates, I should say. Top hats, whatever we want to call them. And these are like legit. Dude, what? What brand are they? We don't even know. We're gonna find out. JDM speed, baby. And they come with what?
End links, yeah.
Let's go, dude. This is gonna be sweet.
Honestly, I think I'm turning into Rome.
No. Honestly, for like 280 bucks, whatever it was, these like seem kind of legit. Like, obviously they're no like KW or even BC or even whatever you want to call it, but like.
You didn't give me any stickers.
Bro, they what?
You didn't give me any stickers.
No stickers?
I want to put stickers on.
Here, we can put this sticker on. Watch, look at this. We could put
I already put it on.
no, we could put this sticker on.
Oh.
Oh man, all right, let's get these installed. Next step is jack up the car in a sketchy way. So what we got, jack up in a sketchy way, we got lift with your back and cut towards you.
See.
Perfect tutorial on how to install car parts on a car. Yes. I don't know if I ever showed you guys this car before or right when he got it, but he's already done a little bit of cosmetic stuff that makes the car look so much better. New front grills, which look mint. New headlight, right Cameron?
I just put
New headlight?
The one that it came with.
Yes. Okay, new headlight. We're gonna go new headlight. Yep. And then in the back, oh, and a Beamer rolled sticker because you already know. And in the back, new tail lights. How much were those?
$130.
$130 for the pair.
Yeah.
For straight brand new E46 tail lights.
I like them.
Why can't things be this cheap for the M3? I don't know.
Yeah.
And then this sticker here for our lost buddy there, Dylan. So
Yeah,
looking good, buddy, now with this. And you have new wheels too. Oh, new wheels for the E46 are actually right there, but I'm not gonna show you guys in this video. That's gonna be next video probably. You know the best part about this car? Is it is manual, unlike that, which is automatic, manual, automatic.
What?
All right, so installing these eBay coilovers, what are we doing first?
Well, I'm trying to figure out.
We're trying to get out the stock strut that isn't even meant for this car. What car is it meant for?
It's meant for the.
We don't even know.
No, it's meant for a E46, but it's a different model E46.
Different model E46, like M3.
No, it's,
we don't know. And
I think they're meant for a sedan.
this video is brought to you by Rigid Tools.
Rigid tool.
Rigid Tools. Stay rigid.
Where Ricky doesn't charge his batteries.
Which I don't charge my batteries or get the correct batteries.
You think?
But it's all
those
good.
aren't even the correct ones.
No, they're the right ones. They're just not the right ampage or voltage, you want to call it.
Well.
But let's get this going. So, dude, that was literally, I'm not even kidding, no joke, like 2 minutes.
BMW.
2 minutes. He's even got his BMW shirt on, even though we don't support that dealership here at this house. Oh, we don't talk about that anymore. Please do. Okay, let's put it in this coilover. Okay. So we lost, like, well, first of all, I don't think that's very safe. Also, there's a few bolts that got lost in here, and stick it in the hole.
It's lost in the sauce.
It's sticky in the hole. Okay, hold up. Let me get some bolts.
Doctor.
You have one? Do you have the bolts?
No.
Wait, hold up.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay, we're just gonna do this.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
And then we're gonna do this, and then
So
we're
I
gonna.
gotta remove the plate.
Yeah, we can just keep that like that. We have to move this that way. Yeah. Hey, so this is like way easier than that car, which is really nice. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can like adjust that, and yeah, it doesn't fit.
Welcome to my mechanic shop.
What? You gotta make those up in there, you know?
Oh, trust me.
Like that doesn't. Those don't fit in the hole.
Oh, okay, I got it. Don't worry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
It's trying to fit four.
Go ahead.
This is not gonna. Dude.
Yeah, looks good to me.
Sure. Bro. I mean, we could. Yep.
Doctor.
That works. Oh my God.
Well, it's not my fault that the Honda.
Okay.
Well,
let's just get rid of those. Let's just get rid of those Allens.
do I not need them?
No, you need them. You need them.
Says you.
Says me. I mean, technically, you don't need them. We're gonna figure this out. All right. Well, it's a few minutes later, and we got both sides on. And don't mind the jack, whatever handle holding up the hood. It's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Fronts are in and monster truck height, but the wheels are right there. And I'm gonna drop them off at Cameron's work, or dungeon, I should say. I feel like it's that. Tomorrow morning. But he's getting the rears done. But I want to do something to the M3 real quick, and let me show you guys. So I've gotten a lot of hate in the past for my double wing. Let me show you. So obviously I have the GTS style wing here, full carbon wing, and I also have this little teeny ducktail, whatever you want to call it. My actual OEM ducktail is right there. It's actually for sale. Hit me in the comments. Hit me up on Instagram @drivenbyricky if you want to buy it. 140 bucks. Let me know. Perfect condition. But back to this. I think I'm going to take this wing off. Actually, I already started taking it off like that. And take it off, and I'm gonna go have it painted white. And yeah, or just keep it bare. I don't really know. I'm gonna take it off right now though. The wing, 3, 2, 1. And yeah. Looks a little bit weird, but I'm gonna have the old one paint matched Alpine white. I'm gonna put it back on. I think that'll look good. But for now, one wing, gang. And it's officially dark outside. It's dark outside. Oh my God, you unpacking for a trip or what? What you got, cuh?
I don't even know.
Yeah, it got dark outside. But we still vibing. Getting the rears on right now, should not be. We're watching YouTube videos on how to do the rears. So, yeah, but it's dark and we're gonna get going. Oh, we're done. Hey, so what's up with that fitment still?
Well,
Let's check the fitment out.
You just kind of.
Oh, it's yeah, it's
Oh, doctor.
oh, it's a phone. The phone, new phone fitment.
Oh.
The new kids do. No, but on a real note, coilovers are done.
It actually is not as stiff as I expected.
Yeah, it's probably. Yeah, we'll see. eBay coilovers, but we got it all installed. The fitment
Wait, look
is
at the rears though.
trash.
Like, I feel like it
Yeah, well, I don't know. The fitment is trash. Oh, my light. The fitment is trash, but we're installing the new wheels. The only hint I'm giving them is that they are BMW OEM wheels, and they're gonna look sick.
You're not gonna give them a year or anything?
And if they follow me on Instagram, they can see on Instagram as of right now @drivenbyricky if they want to go check them out. But oh wait, this video is gonna be posted in a few days, so it won't be on Instagram. But if you follow me on Instagram already, you'll see them right now. Yeah, YouTube time is very weird, but I'm gonna do a full wheel reveal episode. It's gonna look sick. No joke, this car is gonna completely change and it's gonna look so sick. Straight gangster. Like, it's gonna look hot boy. It's gonna look sick. It is, dude. It is. Those are the wheels right there. That's the only hint I'm going to give you guys. Yeah, you can't really see the face. Woo. But like always, I do appreciate each and every one of you guys watching today's video. Check out on the next video. I know I don't post so much. It's very, very random when I post on YouTube. It's very, very random. But sometimes I like filming still, so I'll film a little bit every once in a while. Cameron, say later.
Bye.
He'll be in the next video. Peace out, everyone. If you enjoyed these eBay funny mess around video, just very impromptu video, smash the like button, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.